The biggest blessings often arrive in the second half of life. Are you worried that your later years will be lonely or difficult? This channel delivers trustworthy guidance on how to build a happier, more abundant second chapter of life. How to grow your wealth and happiness as you age. Essential life wisdom you need to know for retirement without regrets. Critical information for protecting your money, health, and relationships after age 60. Complete your later years with dignity. Enjoy through the practical advice on this channel. Hello, active seniors aspiring for a vibrant later life. Welcome to the Senior Health Guide channel. Today, I'm here to talk with you about one of the most vital secrets of our body's blood circulation. Every cell in our body receives oxygen and nutrients through the blood. Much like a river gives life to the soil and trees. But did you know that as we age, this river of life can gradually slow down or even get blocked? Tingling limbs, easy fatigue, or even foggy memory could be deeply linked to circulation issues. Today, I'm going to share some very simple yet effective ways to improve your blood circulation, helping you maintain a vibrant life even after 65. Don't worry, these aren't complicated or strenuous exercises. You can make your river of life flow strongly again with small habits easily practiced in your daily life. Through this video, I hope you realize how precious your body is and how much you can care for yourself. In a moment, we'll explore the first important habit together. So, why is blood circulation so crucial for seniors over 65? It means more than just tingling hands and feet. First, brain health. Blood supplies oxygen and glucose to the brain, maintaining memory and cognitive functions. Poor circulation can impair brain activity, leading to worse forgetfulness or an increased risk of dementia. Serious issues like strokes are also directly linked to blood circulation. Second, heart and cardiovascular health. Clean and smooth blood circulation helps the heart function without strain. Conversely, if blood becomes thick or vessels narrow, the heart bears more burden, which can lead to high blood pressure, arteriosclerosis, and heart disease. Third, energy and vitality. Blood delivers energy to every cell in our body. Poor circulation often results in constant fatigue and lethargy. Fourth, wound healing and immunity. Blood transports immune cells that heal wounds and fight off germs. If circulation is poor, wounds may heal slowly, and you might become more susceptible to infections. As you can see, blood circulation is a critical issue directly linked to our overall health. Now, shall we discover the first habit to aid this vital blood circulation? The first magical habit that will make your blood flow strongly again is adequate hydration. Did you know that about 70% of our body is made of water? And about 90% of our blood is water? Water helps keep blood thin, allowing it to flow more smoothly through blood vessels. If you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes sticky and viscous, making it prone to clinging to vessel walls. This can make it difficult for blood to return to the heart and increase the risk of blood clots. You might say, I don't feel thirsty, but as we age, our sense of thirst tends to dull. Therefore, it's important to develop the habit of drinking water. Before you feel thirsty, it's recommended to drink about 8 glasses of water regularly throughout the day. I suggest drinking a glass right after waking up, before and after meals, and a few hours before going to bed. If plain water is difficult, adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor, or drinking herbal tea is also a good option. Why not prepare a glass of clean water right now and take a sip immediately after this video ends? It's a small habit, but it will bring a big change to your blood circulation. The second amazing habit for blood circulation is walking exercise. You might think, what's so great about walking? But walking activates the calf muscles, often called our body's second heart, providing immense help to blood circulation. While the heart pumps blood to the upper body, the calf muscles play a crucial role in pushing blood that has descended to the legs back up to the heart. Especially for those who sit or stand for long periods, blood tends to pool in the legs, easily causing swelling. Consistently walking for just 20 minutes a day plays a decisive role in preventing blood stagnation and delivering fresh oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. You don't necessarily need to go outside. Walking back and forth indoors or walking in a shopping mall is also good. What's important is consistency. Put on comfortable shoes and walk with a light heart. It's also great to enjoy the scenery around you, or listen to your favorite music while walking. Walking not only aids blood circulation but also helps improve mood, reducing stress and enhancing overall quality of life. Why not start right now, after watching this video? By standing up and taking a slow walk around your home, you'll feel your calf muscles regain strength, and your blood flow even more vigorously. The third simple yet effective way to help your blood circulation is elevating your legs. When you stand or sit for long periods, gravity tends to pull blood down into your legs, causing stagnation. This can lead to leg swelling, varicose veins, and in severe cases, increase the risk of blood clots. By elevating your legs above your heart, you help the blood pooled in your legs easily return to your heart with the aid of gravity. This simple action is particularly beneficial before going to bed. Lie on your bed and rest your legs against a wall for about 10 to 15 minutes. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but after a few minutes, you'll feel your legs lighten and relax. If leaning against a wall is difficult, stacking 2 or 3 pillows and resting your legs on them is also a good method. During the day, when sitting in a chair, using a footrest or frequently rotating your ankles for stretching can also help. This habit not only improves blood circulation, but also provides comfort to swollen legs and relieves fatigue. Start practicing this simple action tonight to give your tired legs a rest and promote blood circulation. You'll feel your legs much lighter and more comfortable. The fourth habit is to consume specific nutrients, often called vascular cleaners. Remember that the food we eat every day directly impacts our blood and blood vessel health. There are a few particularly important nutrients. First, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 helps thin the blood, keeps blood vessel walls flexible, and reduces inflammation. It's abundant in fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, and also found in walnuts and flaxseed oil. Second, vitamin K2. This vitamin plays a crucial role in preventing calcium from accumulating in arterial walls, which can lead to arteriosclerosis. It's rich in green leafy vegetables, like kale and spinach, and fermented foods such as natto and cheese. Third, antioxidants. Antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and polyphenols protect blood vessels from free radicals and improve blood circulation. They are abundant in berries, citrus fruits, nuts, and dark chocolate. In addition, various minerals like magnesium and potassium contribute to blood pressure regulation and vascular health. The important thing is to consume a variety of nutrients through a balanced diet, rather than relying solely on specific supplements. How about featuring an omega-3 rich fish dish or fresh green leafy vegetables on your dinner table tonight? Delicious and healthy meals are the best investment for your blood circulation. The fifth and final habit is stress management. You might think, what does stress have to do with blood circulation? But stress has a very powerful effect on our bodies. When we are stressed, our body triggers a fight or flight response, causing blood pressure to rise, heart rate to quicken, and blood vessels to temporarily constrict. Chronic stress repeatedly causes these reactions, placing a continuous burden on blood vessels, hindering blood circulation, and increasing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Therefore, maintaining peace of mind is very important for healthy blood circulation. There are various ways to manage stress. One of the simplest methods is meditation and deep breathing. Try sitting in a quiet place for just 5 minutes a day, closing your eyes and practicing deep inhales and exhales. By focusing on your breath and calming your mind, you'll feel your blood pressure lower and blood circulation improve. Also, engaging in favorite hobbies or talking with friends helps relieve stress. Spending time in nature or listening to gentle music is also good. When your mind is at peace, your blood vessels are also at peace. Today, find one small action that will bring peace to your mind and practice it. Remember that the health of your body and mind are interconnected. Well, today we've explored 5 simple, yet powerful habits to improve our body's river of life blood circulation. Shall we summarize them once more? First, maintain thin blood by drinking enough water. Second, return blood to your heart. by activating your calf muscles through walking exercise. Third, reduce leg swelling with the help of gravity by elevating your legs. Fourth, build healthy blood vessels by consuming vascular cleaning nutrients. And finally, stabilize blood pressure by finding peace of mind through stress management. All these habits can be easily incorporated into your daily life starting today. Small changes will bring great health, forming a strong foundation for a vibrant and happy senior life. Your health is something you can take care of yourself. I sincerely hope this video serves as a small beacon for your healthy senior years. If this video has been helpful for your health, we would be truly grateful if you would subscribe to our channel, so we can continue to provide reliable health information. Please press like, and if you have any questions or your own blood circulation tips, leave them in the comments. We read and respond to all comments carefully. We'll return with more beneficial and insightful information in our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy always.